All right, so welcome guys. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to paraphrase words and use it to create your Amazon KDP books. So now you can use your mobile phone for this thing, or you can also use your system if you have a laptop. So, but I will assume that most people who are actually doing these kind of things are using their phone. So I will be using my mobile phone to do demonstration. So what I will do is that I'll open my browser. Okay, so when I open my browser, just come to this website. I just like how to lose weight. All right, how to lose weight fast. Imagine if, for instance, I want to write a book about weight loss, like a very short book about weight loss. So, and I want to paraphrase it instead of writing it myself. So, what I'll do is that I'll search something like this, then I'll leave it to load, and so I have something like this. Okay, so you can actually search through everything and see the one that really makes sense to you. So once you've gotten the one that makes sense to you, so what you do is that you start paraphrasing them. Okay, I'll be showing you how to do that in this video. So what you do, what I want to do right now is I want to paraphrase some of those tips in this article. So what I'll do is that I'll click on this link that says 12 tips to help you lose weight. So, and I will wait for it to load. Then okay, it has loaded. We just scroll down. No, this is actually a demonstration. Now I don't want the video to be very long, but just follow the exact step I'll be doing right now, so that it will be very easier for you to do as well. So okay, I'll kind of copy this one that said among those tips, the first one is that do not skip breakfast. Quilbot.com. So, and you can just search it here instead of you like quilbot.com, then you enter, so it will take you to the website. So this is it. Once you have it here, you allow it to load for some time, then you now paste what you copy here, the first box. So you paste it here. So, and you click on this paraphrase. Okay, see paraphrase, and you wait for it to do the right thing. All right, so now you can see what we had before. So do not skip your breakfast. Then it paraphrases the way like avoid skipping your breakfast. It did not like the sentence. The sentence still makes sense, but it's just trying to change the structure of the sentences, and anybody that read you still understanding. And this thing is unique to you. Okay, let me show you for you to know that this thing is unique and it's plagiarism free. So I'll copy this thing. I'll click on this place and I'll copy it to my clipboard. Then I'll go to plagiarism website, you understand, and check the plagiarism level. So I'll come to this where I said duplicate checker. All right, so this duplichecker.com. So I will check if um the sentences or anything that is being paraphrased by Quilbot is actually unique to you, or it's have similar content before online. So we'll wait for it to load, then we'll be we'll paste our copied content. All right, so it's loading. All right, so it has loaded. So we scroll down and you enter our text here. So what we'll do is that we paste what we copied, what was actually paraphrased by Quilbot. So then we scroll down and to check up to local, just avoid that. So still scroll down, then you click on this place that said I am not a robot, you understand. So you have to click on it. Then you now click on this side that said check plagiarism. So click on that board thing and it will run everything for you. So you can see it's scanning plagiarism. So you just have to wait. So 50% done. We wait and boom, it is 100% scanned. So very soon it should take us to the page. All right, so and it's done. So let's scroll down and check our plagiarism score. You can see this is it. It's 100% plagiarism free, and it's 100% unique and 0% plagiarism. So Quilbot is the goal, and you can use it to write anything you want to do. Okay, you just see it. So what you do, what you have to do is that just put in the time. So you copy, you just come to the website you want to copy the content, like something like this. You can copy it bit by bit. Then you come to Quillbot, then you paraphrase, then you can paste it somewhere, then you join it together, form a PDF, then upload it to Amazon and make your money. All right, so I hope this video make this you enjoy watching this video. So subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. And if you want to join my student and make at least 300 to $500 per month or in the next 30 days, so click on the first link in the description and you're welcome. Anyway, my coaching and mentorship is not free, but one thing I'm sure, it's a guarantee that you're going to make your money. All right, see you on the inside.